on to our next Mata, that is the third day of Navadurga. That is the goddess Chandraghanta. This Navratri Devi, who is named after the avatar of goddess Parvati, when she got married to Lord Shiva and wore an Ardhachandra on the forehead, which symbolizes that she is the Ardhangini of Shiva. This form is a symbol of beauty and bravery. Chandra refers to the moon, and the moon represents our mind. The mind is restless and keeps moving from one thought to another. And Ganta, which is the bell, which produces only one kind of sound. The significance is that when a mind is established at one point, that is the divine, then our prana gets consolidated, leading to harmony and peace. Yes, so let's have the grace of Chandraghanta to guide us to victory and to the courage. Now we have our Rajajinagar children who are going to perform on the courageous song. Yes, as Mata Chandraghanta, she is the goddess of courage. So let's welcome our children to come and perform for Mata Chandraghanta on courage. So here for this performance we have the participants Pavni, Pranavi, Sharvari, Shamiksha, Advika, Lakshana. Parents, keep please applauding for them. Lakshana, Swarambika, Shri Pramanya, Isha, Rohini, Adya, Shanvi, Aradhya, Agastya, Atharva Ji, Tanvik and Devashish. So round of applause for these children and let's watch this performance.
या देवी सर्वभूतेश या चंद्रघंटा रूपेण संस्थितः नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. Okay, next, Chandraghanta. So when we compare with many real stars like Kalpana Chawla, Kiran Bedi, Nirmala Sitaram, and Ahilya Bai Holkar. Kalpana Chawla courageously pursued her dream of becoming an astronaut, first woman of Indian origin in space. I think we need to applaud all these ladies. Nirmala Sitaram demonstrated courage in economic decision making and policy reforms. Ahilya Bai Holkar, 18th century Maratha queen, is renowned for her rule in Malwa, focusing on public welfare and cultural advancement. Kiran Bedi, first woman to join the Indian Police Service. These women have left a lasting impact, showcasing the remarkable courage in their respective fields. I think let's applaud all the women, let's take the inspiration and move forward. Let's hear it for all the tiny tots who have dressed so well and the participants. Vayali Kawal children, Junaid, Ibrahim, Arlen, Havyuk, Ishan, Vihan, Divyansh, Riyansh, Anirudh, Rigved, Janisha, Ruchira, Dhanvi, Tanisha, and Sumina.
आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी, जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी। आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी, जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी। छूके देखो दिल मेरा, तुम्हें दिल में अपने बदलूंगी, पर छेड़ के देखो तो मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी, मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी, तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी। दोपहरी पर मैं चलूंगी, कैंडल चढ़ा के सैंडल दिखा के मर मर के नहीं चलूंगी। कदम मिला के देखो तो मैं साथ में तेरे चल दूंगी, पर छेड़ के देखो तो मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी, मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी, तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी। मेरी गर्द चीर के निकल चुका, मौका मिले तो करूँ मैं ये दोबारा। जुनून के आग में उबलती मेरी कोशिशों को चाहिए ना कोई और सहारा। मेरी गर्द चीर के निकल चुका, मौका मिले तो करूँ मैं ये दोबारा। जुनून के आग में उबलती मेरी कोशिशों को चाहिए ना कोई और सहारा।
The next Durga Mata, she is the fourth form of Navadurga. This Navratri Devi is the form of goddess Parvati, who is believed to be the creator of the universe, and she symbolizes the green cover of the earth. May this radiant energy and the warmth be just like our Mata Kushmanda.
So when we talk about the Mata Kushmanda, many real stars come in our mind like Indra Nooyi, Neeta Ambani, Ekta Kapoor and Kiran Majumdar. Indra Nooyi, Neeta Ambani, Kiran Majumdar and Ekta Kapoor akin to Kushmanda Mata in the realm of creation. Each contribute uniquely to their respective fields. These women exemplify diverse forms of creation and influence in their respective domains. And the participants are from Rajajinagar, Sinchana, Adya, Nirvika, Akshita, Riddhi, Vriksha, Tashvika, Harshit, Dash, Yuvan, Pranav, Vihan, Tilok, Kadir and Vilok. Ya Devi Sarvabhutesha Ma Kushmanda Rupena Samstitaha Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha.
ಭೂಮಿ ಘನತೆ ಸ್ಥಿರತೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ದ್ರವತೆ, ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಶಕ್ತಿ, ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಮತ್ತು ರೂಪಾಂತರವನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ವಾಯು ಚಲನೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಸ್ತರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಶೂನ್ಯತೆ, ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅಂತಃಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಸುತ್ತದೆ.
So let's move on to the fifth form of Navadurga, who is goddess Skandamata. This Navratri Devi name derives from the word Skanda, depicting Kartikeya, and Mata means mother. Yes, out of the 9 forms of goddess Durga, this form symbolizes the fierce nature of the mother when a child is in danger. Yes, she rides on a ferocious lion, has 4 arms, and in one of her arms she holds a baby. She is the 5th incarnation of goddess Durga, who represents sympathy, motherhood, and a heart loaded with love. Wishing you all the love and care of the purity of our motherhood. So here we have our Bashveshnagar children going to perform on Kanuva Devarain. Yes, so let's hear to the participants of this performance. We have Kundal, Prashvi, Adya, Anjan, Tejas, Anshvika, Nishika, Tejas S, Utkarsh, Rajashvi, Krishna Lekhan, and Sharvari.
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मा स्कन्दमाता रूपेण संस्थितः नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः.
ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣುವ ದೇವರು ಎಂದರೆ ಅಮ್ಮನು ತಾನೇ. ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣುವ ದೇವರು ಎಂದರೆ ಅಮ್ಮನು ತಾನೇ.
ಹಾಲಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕೊನೆ, ರಾಗಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ತೆನೆ, ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸೋ ಜೀವ ಒಂದೇನೇ ತಾಯಿ. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಶಿವ ಎದೆ ಹಾಲು ಕುಡಿದರು, ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀನೇ ದೈವ ಅಂತ ಕಾಲು ಮುಗಿದರು. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಶಿವ ಎದೆ ಹಾಲು ಕುಡಿದರು, ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀನೇ ದೈವ ಅಂತ ಕಾಲು ಮುಗಿದರು.
So when we talk about the mother, yes, Mother Teresa, Mata Jijabai, Sharda Mata, and Sushmita Sen, many more real stars comes in your mind. Mother Teresa devoted her life to serving the destitute and sick in Kolkata and as well as in India. Sushmita Sen, an Indian actress and a former Miss Universe, showcases motherly love through her unconventional journey of motherhood. Rajmata Jijabai, in the spirit of Skandamata, her commitment to family and governance mirrors the nurturing aspects of Skandamata. And Sharda Devi, similarly to Skandamata's divine essence, her devotion and guidance resonate with the nurturing and enlightening the qualities, offering solace to those seeking a higher understanding. So Vayali Kaval, EW, children are going to perform for the song from KGF and Maurya, and the participants are Mugda, Dimpana, GP, Shrestha, Jaisha, Meher, Yugveer, Trijal, Purnish, Purvik, Shrijay, Sai Rishi, Mithun, Advik and Ashtish. So come on, I think round of applause for all the EW students. Nodi already on full charge ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Come on, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ, come on, ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ.
ಬಜವೆ ಮುಗಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ I love you ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ I love you ನೂರು ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳಿದರು ಅಷ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ ಜನ್ಮ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹಾಡಿದರು ಪದವೆ ಮುಗಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ I love you ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ I love you ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸು ಪಾಠ ಕಲಿತೆ ತಲೆ ನುಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾಲಿಗೀತೆ ನೀನೆ ನನಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಜಗವೇ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಮಡಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಳೆಯುವೆ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸರ ಬೇಸರ ಓದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀಯ
We would request Naveen sir, Lakshmi ma'am to please come over the dais. We would like to call along with them Manjunath sir, Siddesh sir, Sanjay Babu sir, Vinay Jairaj sir and Krishnamurti sir to kindly come over the dais please.
It's a sweet token of love from Naveen sir and Lakshmi ma'am. So please let's hear it for all. Manjunath sir, Siddesh sir, Sanjay Babu sir, Vinay Jairaj sir and Krishnamurti sir. Let's hear it for all of them. It's a small token of love.
And thank you very much sir for being present here and coming over the dais and gracing this evening for us.
So let's hear it for all of them. So it's always the support of friends makes a lot of difference. So let's hear it for all of them. Come on everyone, let's hear it.
Yes, parents, where's your urja? Yes,
Come on,
that's
wonderful,
wonderful. Thank
wonderful.
you.
Let's hear it.
Thank you so much, audience.
Quickly we will be moving to the next song, don't worry.